see them start their spiral. And
1 and 3, book now.
all right, watch the smoke. Inverted upside down, straight to long. Start number 1. Start number 3, the left voice. Line circles around the leader, but please no message. Get a load of that sky with the Northern Stars Aeroteam Team 22 session. All right, team leader, left wing, and I'm on. Very quickly, on the redrawing, here comes number 2. They'll quickly rejoin and come back in and perform what we call the double barrel shotgun rule. Watch how quickly number 2 is watching that formation. That is an art in itself. It's great when you get those collision maneuvers. Get back in front of the crowd as soon as possible. That in itself is art. So bear down before all the big formation or V.
3 back. 2 back.
Great.
1 back. Holding up.
Now,
Holding up.
as they close across the down at approximately 60 miles
Powered up.
down the bottom side,
Good.
so right, they're going to be
Hold this up. Powered up. Very up. Hook off now. Clear, go. Half. They're clear.
And we'll call this the horizontal harbor.
Third break.
Keep running by AeroTeam. We love them dearly.
Ready to go. Look now.
What a heck is the reason the team is here today. All right, watch for the action. The team leader will deliberately roll upside down.
What? Roll down. Here's up.
There's the leader. Now, here comes the wingman. He has a set spacing for themselves. Hence the name, the corkscrew. Long and slow in the sky.
Hook off now.
Number 3, the left star.
It's at 2020. You saw him?
This is the half human age. He's the one staying in our view. Have the balloon come back in. He'll sit up with another ball.
Do it.
There'll be a loop. He's that ball on the top of the loop. One thing. All the way
One five.
your perfect gift on God.
Contact. Realizing. Hook off now. Hook now. Hook now. Running at the box of our car. Contact. Contact. Come out. Now. Hook off now. And please landing 27. 1 second. 3, you're landing at 47. And then 27. With a problem? Yeah, I'll be up there. Airbus 3.
Yeah, I'm up. I'm done.
Okay, sounds good. Airbus, correct, Northern Stars, push 133 to 5. Airbus, Northern Stars.
Go ahead, Northern Stars.
Yeah, my number 3 has issue is landing 27, so we'll be recovering with them.
Okay, thank you very much. You need any assistance?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I will let you know in a second.
Thank you.